Hey, good morning everyone. I'm just enjoying the sunrise out here in the Swiss Alps, and this view is just amazing and it's so peaceful. They're everywhere, those high mountains.
We were already running in the snow today morning and it is so much fun, but it is so freaking cold.
The weather is just so good today, so we will take our sledges and our snowboards and race down the mountains. This is our house right there, and we're here with some friends and we're getting ready to go.
Now let's go snowboarding.
It has been starting to snow while I shot this short snowboard sequence, and I've been walking up and down this hill so many times to get all of these shots, and I'm so tired, but I hope you enjoyed it.
We have been building this igloo over the last couple of days and it has been so much fun, but we didn't actually finish it.
I have never ever been in a ski resort in the Swiss Alps, living in a house for about 4.5 days with some friends and going snowboarding, skiing and riding sledges down the mountains every day, and it has just been so much fun. And if you like snowboarding, skiing or something like that, then you should definitely go try it out. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.